Hello everyone. Good morning dear students. Today we are starting the science first chapter for the class 7th. Chapter number 1, nutrition in plants. So we are going through the last chapter here, the nutrition in plants. First, what is nutrition? The question arises about the nutrition. What is nutrition? So a process by which organisms take in food and utilize it in order to survive. So, a process. It is a process in which organisms means living organisms, living things just like human beings, plant, animals. They are the organisms take in food. We all taking the food for what purpose? To get the energy, we'll get the strength, we will get the stamina. So, take in food and utilize. We are taking the food. For what purpose? To use that. To use means the utilize here, to use in it in order to survive. Survive means here to live on the earth. How to survive? Without the food you can survive? No. Without the water you can survive? No. For food, if you are eating only, we will get the energy. So the next here, components of food. The components of food are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. So here the main component of food is carbohydrates, protein, fats, vitamins and minerals. They are the important components which are present in food items. Now, these components of food are necessary for our body. So, these components, what components here? All these components are necessary for our body. Just now I told you students that for our body, we want the energy. How we will get the energy? By taking the food. So, for our body and are called nutrients. So, the component of food which is necessary for our body are called as nutrients. Now, we will go through the nutrients. So, there are two types of nutrients. One is autotropics. Next one, heterotropics. So here, auto means here self and tropics is nourishment. So here, self nourishment. Autotropics is self nourishment. Prepare their own food. Example, plants. Children, you know that plants are preparing their own food and we are calling them as autotropics. Now we will go through the heterotropics. Hetero means here, it is others. Others nourishment. Tropics means nourishment. So other nourishment depends upon others, for example animals. So animals are in the category of heterotropics. Even we human beings are in the category of animals. We are dependent upon the others. For example, plants, animals. So plants, how we are dependent upon the plants means we are getting the rice, we are getting the wheat, we are getting the pulses, we are getting the cereal, all the items which are getting from the plant. We are dependent upon the plant. And now animals. Animals also, we are dependent upon the animals. How means? We are getting the milk, we are getting the meat, everything we are getting from the plants and animals. So, we are called as a heterotropics. Means here depends upon are called as heterotropics. In this chapter, children, we are studying upon the nutrition in plants. So, overall in this chapter, we are going through the plants. So, plants prepare their own food by the process of sunlight and here from the water and the minerals. So, plants prepare their own food by the process of the photosynthesis. So, in the next session, I will continue this chapter. So, till then, note down the definition of the nutrition and components of the food and nutrients. How many types of nutrients are there? Autotrophics and heterotropics. Autotrophics means self-nourishment. Heterotropics means other nourishment. So here prepare their own food. Autotrophs and heterotrophs depends upon the other. So we will continue the next session. Same chapter. So till then, children, be home and be safe. Okay. Thank you.